Do you know that your Casio calculator can solve Newton-Raphson problems in seconds? Let's see how to do it step by step. Suppose we need to solve this equation x cube minus x minus 1 equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method, starting with the initial guess as x naught is equal to 1. For this, we need to recall Newton-Raphson method, which is an iterative method which uses previous value to calculate the next value, and the formula is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f evaluated at xn divided by f dash evaluated at xn. Now let us see how we can solve this using our Casio calculator. We first turn on our calculator. We go to the function option. Here you can see two functions we can store. First we store fx in f by pressing x cube minus x minus 1 and then we press execute. Now we store f dash in g and the derivative here is 3x square minus 1. We then store our initial point in variable a by going to variables and then going to edit, and then we'll store 1 in that variable. We press AC to come out of this window. Now we are going to put the formula of Newton-Raphson in this calculator. To use the value of A, we use shift 4, it will recall the value of A, and then minus function f evaluated at A divided by function g evaluated at A. This will give you the first value of the iteration, that is x1. Now you can store this value of x1 in A by pressing variable, selecting A and pressing store. This automatically stores the new value of A in that A. Now we can simply press execute to get x2. We can again store this new value in A by pressing variable and then store. And then we have to simply press execute to get the new value of x. We can keep on doing this for as many iterations as we want, and we stop when two consecutive iterations are producing the same value. So the approximate root of x cube minus x minus 1 equal to 0 is 1.3247. That's how simple Newton-Raphson is with Casio fx-991CW. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more calculator tricks. These are some additional problem already solved. You can try on your own and match your answer with this. Thanks for watching the video till the end.